This plant doesn't only make your hair thicker, it makes your hair longer and it also darkens your hair. I'm about to put you on nature's best kept secret for your hair and body. You will thank me later. If you're struggling with hair fall, dandruff, slow growth, or even a weak or unhealthy scalp, this is one of the natural remedies you need to try out. Guava leaves are not hype. They are literally packed with what your scalp is begging you for. Guava leaf is packed with vitamin B and C, which boost collagen production for stronger, healthier strands. It also contains antioxidants, which fight free radicals that causes hair aging and hair breakage. It also contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that kills dandruff, itching, or scalp infection. It contains vitamin A, which stimulates sebum production so your scalp doesn't dry out. It also contains iron and potassium that improve blood circulation on your scalp, resulting to faster hair. Basically, this leaf cleanses, feed, and strengthen your scalp at once. This is no ordinary leaves. This is exactly what you need. The major benefit you will get from using this leaf for your hair and scalp is that it will stop hair fall. The weak roots are usually from inflammation or poor circulation on your scalp. Guava leaf contains tannins which strengthen your hair follicle so your hair stops shedding from the root. Most people notice less hair fall within 2 or 3 weeks of consistent use. Another benefit is that it unlocks your hair growth, and this is the reason why I can't stop using it. It does that by increasing blood circulation on your scalp. When there is more blood flow, there will be more nutrients supplied to your hair follicle. That is when baby hair starts to appear and you will start experiencing fast length retention. This is also great for your edges and bald spots. Guava leaf kills dandruff and itchy scalp. Guava leaf has quercetin and flavonoids that can kill the fungi that causes dandruff. It also calms inflammation on your scalp so you don't have to itch consistently. Guava leaf adds shine and thickness to your hair. It seals your hair cuticles, reduces the dull and rough hair. It becomes soft, shiny, and less frizzy. Another amazing benefit is that it prevents premature graying. It has high antioxidants that slow down oxidation in your hair follicle. This also helps darken the hair naturally over time. I'm still going to touch more on the amazing benefit because there is a lot you don't know about guava leaves. The next ingredient we are adding to the guava leaf is onions. Now let me tell you why you need to add onions to your guava leaf water. Using guava leaf water alone on your scalp and hair is a cheat code, but adding onions to it, you're going to get a result you never expected. It is really mind-blowing. Separately, they are powerful, but together they attack the hair problem from different angles. Guava leaf is a scalp healer. It kills dandruff, fungi, and itchiness on your scalp. It strengthens your hair from the root so your hair stops falling out. It also boosts blood flow and adds shine to your hair. Basically, what it does is to create a healthier environment for your growth. The onions in this mixture is the growth accelerator. It is packed with sulfur, which is the #1 nutrient for keratin production. Keratin is literally what your hair is made up of. It increases blood circulation by 200%. More blood flow results in your follicle waking up and start to grow. It also has antibacterial properties that kills the scalp infection that blocks your hair growth. Not only that, it also contains anti-inflammatory properties that calm inflammation, regrowth bald spots, and thinning edges. So basically, the job of the onions is to force your follicle to grow faster and get thicker. Before I tell you what to expect, let me explain the preparation method. You want to get your fresh guava leaves. You can use the dry one if that is what you have, but then you have to boil it. Some people boil this while some people blend it. For this method, you'll be required to wash your guava leaf thoroughly and your onions. Cut it into small pieces and then go ahead and blend it, adding in a little bit of water. If you're boiling it, just wash your ingredients, put it in a pot, add in some water and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. After boiling, allow it to cool off and then strain it out. Your water is ready and you can use it as a final rinse. Using it as a final rinse means you do not have to wash it off. If you're doing the blending method, after blending, use a cheesecloth or a strainer to strain out the water. Ensure there are no particles left inside. If you're going to use this on your scalp or on your hair, let me tell you what to expect. With 2 weeks of consistent use, your hair fall will stop, and this works very fast. And this is because guava leaf strengthens your hair from the roots. The onions feed your roots. Most people report 70% less shedding in just 10 days. With consistent use of this combo, baby hair starts to appear in places where you had no hair. That stubborn edges and bald spots, the onion sulfur and the clove circulation power will literally wake up your dormant hair follicles. It will also kill your dandruff and your itching will be gone in 1 week. Guava water kills the fungi while the onions kills the bacteria. This is a double attack. No more white flaking on your black clothes. You will also notice that your hair starts to grow faster and longer. The sulfur content in this mixture builds a stronger strands so your hair doesn't break. You will start retaining your length. Many people see 1 to 2 inches within a month. This happens because you have gotten rid of breakage. You will also notice that your hair starts getting thicker, darker and shinier. I mentioned that guava leaves contain tannins. That is exactly what is going to make your hair darker with consistent use. It will also make your hair shiny and prevent premature graying. The onions will add volume to your hair. Your hair looks expensive even without products. With this combination, you are not just only growing hair, you are growing a strong, healthy hair that will not break when you comb it. The color of the liquid is like this because of the method I use. If you're blending it with a blender, you'll be expecting something greenish. With the additional ingredients added to this, you do not have to worry about the smell of the onions. If you follow the steps and use the exact ingredients I use for this, you will not perceive the smell of the onions at all. Did I mention that this can cure scalp acne? This is a leave-in spray, so you do not have to wash it out. You can use this spray 3 to 4 times weekly. You can also use it as a final rinse on your wash day. For the additional ingredients, I added in 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. If you have the fresh aloe vera, feel free to use it. The aloe vera gel I added gives this mixture a calming effect and also eliminates the smell of the onions. The guava in this mixture cleanses and protects your scalp, while the onions forces the growth and strengthen your hair. The aloe vera soothes, hydrates and seals in everything. When you combine guava and onions, it is actually very strong. If you have a sensitive scalp, this might cause some irritation. But adding aloe vera into this mixture, aloe vera has anti-inflammatory property which can calm the redness, the irritation, so you wouldn't feel that irritation or tingling sensation when you apply it on your scalp. This combination is perfect for people with eczema, psoriasis or sensitive scalp. Aloe vera locks in the moisture so you wouldn't experience any dryness. Onions can be drying if overused, and aloe vera contains 98% water and 20 amino acid. It can hydrate your scalp and your strands so your hair doesn't feel brittle while growing. The last thing we'll be adding to this mixture is olive oil. Feel free to use any kind of oil you have available. What the olive oil does in this mixture is to lock in everything and then protect your strands. Olive oil acts as a sealant, sealing in all the goodness you just put on your hair. The onions, guava and aloe vera brings in the moisture to your scalp, while the olive oil seals everything in. It locks in the moisture so it doesn't evaporate in 2 hours. It also helps stop breakage and split end. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. It coats every strand, making it flexible, so your hair will stretch without breaking. This is actually how you retain the length you are growing. It also helps fight dandruff. When your scalp is dry, it produces flaking. Olive oil softens it and dissolves all the dry, dead skins on your scalp. It also has antibacterial property that works together with guava and onions. This means that you're getting triple action. It also adds shines to your hair. No more dull, rough look. Olive oil smoothens out the cuticles so your hair looks smooth and shiny. Another benefit of adding olive oil to this mixture is that it protects your scalp from irritation. Pure onion juice can be strong. Olive oil will dilute the intensity and create a softer effect. It also helps increase blood circulation when massaged into the scalp. This combination is for anybody having hair and scalp related issues. If you're dealing with excessive shedding, your hair falls out in the shower or while you're combing, guava in this mixture locks your hair to the roots, and the onion strengthens your hair follicle. If you use this mixture consistently, within 2 weeks, you will notice that the shedding have stopped. It is also good for anybody dealing with receding edges or bald spots. If you have traction alopecia, maybe from wig, braid, ponytail, or postpartum hairline, this will also work for you. The sulfur in the onions plus guava circulation will wake up all the sleeping dormant hair follicle, and aloe vera will calm down the tension on your scalp. It is also excellent for anybody dealing with dandruff. Guava kills the fungi while onions kills the bacteria. Aloe vera calms the inflammation while the olive oil stops the dryness. If you know that you have been stuck in a particular length for decades, this mixture is a must try for you. If you're in the team of those that their hair grow but never get long, you must use this. If you're growing your hair but your hair keep breaking off, olive oil and the aloe vera in this mixture will stop the breakage so you can finally retain length. If you're going to try out this, let me know in the comment section. If you want to get a compiled DIY recipe in an ebook, the link will be in the description. Just click on the link and it will direct you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.